thanks for clicking that link. I am back with this orange and black, fresh out of the shop, completely over the top, Crossley Custom super truck. There are so many amazing special touches that we have put into this truck. I cannot wait to go over it with you in today's video. So without much further ado, let's just dive right in. Okay, so one of the things that makes this custom truck build really stand out is this Ford code orange. I mean, my goodness, it doesn't get any more orange than that. And then we've touched it up with these amazing tuxedo black. I'm going to get some close up of this beautiful sparkly tuxedo black accents on the grille, on the roof. That's right, we painted the roof. We actually took the front and rear glass out to paint that roof, so it's done right. Painted to match bumpers, and then this tuxedo black, sparkly, beautiful, painted to match front air diffuser. Now, and painted up here too. So it just little touches everywhere on this truck that really makes it a special super truck. I'm just not sure if the light here is really good enough to show off this beautiful black metallic paint that's on both the grille and the front air diffuser. I mean, just look how beautiful that looks, and up on the top there. So the next thing you need to nail with the super truck is the stands. And these Ride Tech lowering kits that we install on our F-150s absolutely kill it. And then we mate that to the Ride Tech traction bars, because when you're hopping up one of these things, and quite frankly, even a stock 5.0 regular cab F-150 is a snorty performer. This Fittipaldi wheel set with the floating center cap wrapped in 305/40 22s Atturo AZ10s really gives this truck a distinguishing look. PowerStop brake kit on all four corners with drilled cross-cut disc brakes and extreme braking pads. Painted to match cab spoiler, and the way the center mount brake lamp and cab lights look under this painted to match cab spoiler is pretty cool. Another really cool custom touch we've got on this truck is the tailgate spoiler right here on the bed. Really gives it a very cool look and functional for aerodynamics. There's a lot of drag happening back here. So this truck, like most regular cab super truck builds, started its life as just a regular XL truck. So we replaced that boring plastic cab insert right here with this Ford Performance painted to match F-150 cab insert, and then also painted to match these mirror caps, and they look absolutely amazing. So there's no doubt about how awesome these painted to match accents make this orange pop. Like with this painted to match grille, painted to match front air diffuser, cab inserts, mirror caps, the roof, rear cab spoiler, and even the door handles to just give it the orange and black super attack. This orange and black super truck build is absolutely amazing. And if you're interested in buying it, it's for sale. So reach out to me. I'm at Gary Crossley Ford in Kansas City, Missouri. Kansas City's #1 Ford dealer, #1 in the state, #1 in the region, #1 in our zone, and definitely #1 place in the Midwest to get your custom built F-150 super truck. Another thing that really set this super truck build out from previous super truck builds to me were these fender flares. So again, more paint to match, and they turned out really good. Really nice, clean, really tight seal. And they go over the top of the wheel well liners. That's right. We put wheel well liners front and rear in our Crossley Custom builds. Well, because they're nice. And so are Crossley Custom super trucks. Now, the back of the truck, let's face it, that's what most people are going to see of this thing as they watch the taillights get closer together. But it does make a really nice view for those as you're passing them by. Okay, so there's no doubt there's lots of pretty exterior touches on this thing, but up under the hood, well, this is where the magic's happening. We have the Ford Performance Whipple Charger, and I feel like the Ford Performance Whipple just has such a solid pull. I love the way these pull in this 5.0 super truck. Now, the thing I like about this in a regular cab, especially in this XL regular cab, is it seems like I get a little better engine sound. I'm hearing a little more whine in the cab than I did in the Super Crew XLT 302. I think there's a little more sound deadening that goes into the XLT. So if you know for sure, put a post down in the comments below, let me know. But it just seems like I get a little better cab sound out of this motor in a regular cab XL than in the crew cab XLTs and the premium F-150s. As I said earlier in the video, this super truck is for sale and will be available for viewing tomorrow at Gary Crossley Ford, Liberty, Missouri. So if you're interested in knowing more information about this truck, or knowing more about one of the many other super trucks we've got, reach out to me, Boise Bronco. They're at Gary Crossley Ford, Kansas City, Missouri. Now, let's jump in this thing and take it for a ride. Get it on a good little roll here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This thing is quite the truck, no doubt about it. And the pulls, out of this world. Nothing like them. We got a bump here. Too bad of a bump, but I'm gonna go over it fast. Beautiful night out here in the country, testing the Crossley Custom.